I'm Isaac Mandelbrot Yombo. I'm from France, but actually work in Saudi Arabia for Enoa, the utility company of NEOM. And so I came here to reinforce myself and my understanding on the energy regulation and more broadly utility regulation. And I'm mostly focused in Saudi Arabia on developing hydrogen infrastructure. So many information, so many great teachers, so many great co-workers. So I learned a lot from the teacher, but I learned also a lot from the interaction between the students and the teacher. And as a more like engineering background, being surrounded by people coming from different worldwide regulators was really an amazing experience to learn, because like the engineering I got it, but then capturing all the information here and there was really great. And the course was really brilliant. I'm looking forward for further courses actually. It opened my mind on several topics that I really like a high-level understanding, mainly on the renewables and on the complexity of renewables, just not on the engineering side, but also on the integrations, for example, as microgrids that we have a lot in remote area and developing countries.